Red sprites caught from space. What NASA saw above Earth's thunderstorms, high above Earth. Floating aboard the International Space Station, an astronaut captured something rare. Something electric. A bright flash like a jellyfish glowing red above a thunderstorm. This wasn't lightning. It wasn't fireworks. It was something scientists have only recently confirmed. A red sprite? Get ready, because what you're about to see is one of the most mysterious natural phenomena ever caught on camera from space. Red sprites are massive bursts of electricity that shoot upward from thunderclouds high into the upper atmosphere. Unlike lightning, which zaps down toward Earth, sprites flash above the clouds, lighting up the sky in ghostly red tendrils. And here's the twist, they're nearly invisible to the naked eye, unless you're lucky enough to be watching from space. Sprites occur in the mesosphere, nearly 50 to 90 kilometers above Earth. That's higher than commercial airplanes. But just within view of astronauts orbiting 400 kilometers above us on the ISS. In July 2025, NASA astronaut Nicole Ayers snapped a photo that set the internet on fire. Hovering above a thunderstorm in the Midwest, her camera captured a red sprite in full bloom, a glowing red burst with tentacles stretching like an alien jellyfish. The photo stunned both scientists and viewers. It wasn't just beautiful, it was rare. Red sprites last for only a few milliseconds, and catching one from space requires perfect timing and angle. What Nicole captured wasn't just a pretty light show. It was a look into the strange electricity of our planet, something that even today we barely understand. Here's what we know so far. Red sprites are triggered by positive lightning strikes, the rare kind that moves from the top of a thundercloud to the ground. These strikes release huge electric fields upward. When the conditions are just right, they excite nitrogen molecules high in the atmosphere, causing that glowing red effect. Sprites are typically red at the top, fading into blue at the bottom. Some resemble carrots, others look like trees, and some appear as scattered sprite clusters blinking like Christmas lights across the sky. And they're not alone. There are other strange events, two blue jets, elves, and halos, all forms of what scientists call Transient Luminous Events, or TLEs. Red sprites are just the most dramatic of them all. So why should we care about these sprites dancing above the clouds? Because they help us understand the electrical connection between Earth's surface and space. They could play a role in our planet's climate systems, affect satellites and aircraft, and even interfere with radio communication. The more we learn about red sprites, the more we realize our planet is alive with energy pulsing silently in the skies above every thunderstorm. With cameras on the ISS, high-speed sensors, and even citizen science projects, researchers are now tracking sprites around the globe. Future missions might carry better tools to record these events in ultra-high speed and detail. Some scientists even believe sprites could one day be used to help detect life on other planets, because they show how atmospheres react to electricity. So the next time you look up at a thunderstorm, remember, something extraordinary might be happening just above those clouds. Invisible to you, but maybe, just maybe, visible to someone watching from space. If you enjoyed this journey into the skies above Earth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There is so much more happening out there than we ever imagined, and we're just getting started.